Mom, where are you? I just got home from Target, Michael, so it would be great. Mom! What? You took me to Target with you and I'm still here! Oh, shit! Michael, I thought you told me you finished your science project that's due Monday. Yeah, I did finish it, Mom. Oh, really? Because you were supposed to draw a diagram of a cell, but all I see is this blank sheet of paper. You can't see a cell. Michael, why are the police in our house? Because I called them because you kidnapped that random kid. What the hell are you talking about? I didn't kidnap anybody. Oh, really? Then who was that kid sitting on our couch? That's your cousin, you idiot, and he's staying with us for the weekend. Well, you might want to go get him back because I think the cops just took him away. It's a beauty treatment. Well, I hate to break it.
You the bird dance.
Mom, we have a problem. What's wrong, Michael? I'm in here. Michael, I still cannot believe that you lied to me today.
I'm not going back to jail.
Michael, why didn't you get the food I asked for at the store before? Because they didn't have any food, Mom.
What the hell do you mean they didn't have any food?
Mom, why don't we have a Christmas tree? It's that thing in the living room covered in lights and ornaments. That's not a tree. Yes, it is. No, it's plastic shaped like a tree. Trees grow in the... It's a Christmas tree, Michael. No, say. You know what? It doesn't matter because either way, it's not a tree anymore because I burned.
So, you have chosen death. You were an accident.
You did what? I burned his house. Hey, Mom, guess what? I'm in the news. Oh my God, you're in the news? Yeah, look. What?